Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a Thanksgiving get ready with me. This is going to be the look that we are going to be doing. If you are interested, please keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Alrighty, hey guys, so today we're going to do our Thanksgiving get ready with me. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I'm using and loving. Some of them I'm almost out of, so they're a little chunk. Alrighty, so I'm going to use the Lancome makeup, and this is in 220 Buff C. I absolutely love this stuff. It is amazing. Just take it and I blot it on my face. And then what I use to blend this in is not the norm. It is actually a brush, a buffing brush that I got from wish.com like 5 years ago. And it works amazingly, which is why I never skip away from using this. Just buffing that into the skin. Like I did say, I'm pretty blind without my glasses, so I might get a little close to the camera, making sure that I am blending everything in. I also have a really harsh ring light right above my face, so I want to make sure that you guys are able to see everything. I'm just going to apply some concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which again, your girl is almost out of. I don't normally put concealer on unless it is a event or a holiday. But if it is those days, I do like to put on concealer because it just brings you to like the next level of put togetherness. And I am doing eyeshadow today, so I'm bringing this concealer up on to my lids. If you have cream contour, this is when you would go ahead and do that. But today I'm just going to be using a powdered bronzer, so I don't have to worry about that. Make sure you're blending it down onto your neck. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and powder. This is the Shine Free Maybelline Loose Powder in Light. Alright. Now I do a technique kind of like baking, but I don't leave it on for as long. That just seems to really help set the makeup. And I'm just using a powder puff that I got from this. I love powder puffs. If a powder has a powder puff, I will most likely buy it. That's just how I am. So I'm going back to the buffing brush, and I'm taking that and I'm pushing the powder into my face. This just seems like it makes it look a little bit more natural. Alrighty, I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is from Clinique in Precious Posy 1110. And this is kind of like an iridescent pink, which I love. We're just gonna go ahead and put that on. And I love putting it at the base of my nose. I think it just looks so adorable. Alrighty, the bronzer that I'm going to use is Bronze Booster by Physicians Formula, medium to dark. I love this stuff. It works amazingly. We're just going to put that on this little part of your cheek. And I place a little bit underneath my double chin. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go in with my favorite part. I'm doing this a little out of order, but this is the order I always go in. We're gonna go ahead and do highlighter. This is the Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. There's a YouTuber that swears by this stuff, and she's the entire reason why I got this. I'm gonna leave her name in the description because I absolutely adore her. She is such a sweetheart, and she means so much to me. I watch her pretty much every single day. But yes, she is the reason why I got this highlighter. Alrighty, so then I always use 2 highlighters because I'm a little extra. The next highlighter that I'm going to use is the Mary Lou Luminizer. Mary Lou Luminizer. Alrighty, it's highlighter, shimmer, eyeshadow, and looks like the color is the Luminizer. And I take that, and anywhere I want to go really crazy, I just place that. So like right at the tips of my cheeks, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. Now I have bangs, so I don't put any on my forehead because my bangs are going to cover it up. Alrighty, so then we're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyebrows and the eyes. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows now. I am a little bit ratchet and I use an eyeshadow palette for my eyebrows. It's the only color that I truly love for my eyebrows. It is the Nude Dude by The Balm, and I think this is just so freaking cute. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be looking down here to do my eyebrows. Yes, I use my saliva to get my brush wet. If I'm in the bathroom, I go ahead and wet it under the sink. So I don't want to block that. Alrighty. With my eyebrows, I do have to concentrate to make sure I don't screw them up. And I'm ever so slightly bringing the color to the front of the brows and doing an ombre effect right here at the beginning. Just gonna go on and do the other one. Hoping you guys can see. My eyebrows are naturally a little uneven, so I just kind of have to deal with it. So then the next product we're going to use is the e.l.f. This is just the product that I use to go ahead and set my eyebrows so they're not moving around all day. Alrighty, so the palettes that I'm going to be using is going to be the Morphe. This is Oh Boy 25D. That is this one. I thought this would be absolutely perfect for fall. And then I always have to have a shimmer. So then we're gonna go into the Morphe 35M Boss Mood. Trying to get this open. has all of these shimmers in it. So I'm gonna figure out what shimmers I want to do. The brushes that I'm going to be using is another brush from Wish that is probably like 5 to 7 years old. And then this one from Morphe. There's no numbers on it, but it is dual-ended. Somebody got it for me as a present. So it has a fluffy end and a flat end. The fluffy end is what I use to blend. This is what I use to apply the shimmer. Alrighty, so I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm going to show you this. So I'm gonna use this cream color right over here, and we're just going to go ahead and use that right there on our crease. I'm gonna do that to both eyes. We're gonna move over to this color right next to it. And we're gonna focus that more on the outer corner, blending it inwards. You guys are more than welcome to turn on some music on the background. I just don't want to get copyrighted on my 3rd YouTube video, so I am just in silence. So please put on some of your favorite music and rock out while I'm doing my makeup. We can be doing our makeup together, get ready together. I'm gonna be mixing these 2 colors together. Again, right on the outer corner. The darker that we get, we're just going to be focusing more and more on the outer corner. Alrighty, and just make sure there's no harsh lines and that you are blending. I'm only using my camera to blend, so if it looks a little jank, I'm sorry. I'm going to be mixing these 2, and we're going to go into the lower lid. And then one of the colors on the very outer corner, we're going to place that right on the veriest outer corner to really just make the look pop. A bird just flew right by my window. I don't know if you guys saw that, like the shadow of it, but it was huge. Looked like a hawk. Alrighty, so I'm gonna pop this one close, and we're gonna go on to the Boss Mood. Let's see what color I am going to use. It looks like I'm thinking about mixing this one right here and putting this one on top. So let's go ahead and do that, and these colors are so freaking pigmented, it's crazy. Like, especially the shimmers. This is just still the gold that I'm applying on the other eye. And then we're gonna add that orange right on top to make it fit a little bit more with the look that we're doing. Then I'm taking this beautiful like olive color and I'm tapping that right there in the center where you'd put color for a like halo eyeshadow. Alrighty, so there we are with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead, curl my lashes, and and do my mascara and put on my falsies off camera because I do not want to get really up and close and personal with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and I will be back really quick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Alrighty guys, we are back. So I just went ahead, curled my lashes, applied some mascara, and put on my lashes. The lashes that I'm using are Ardell Wispies. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ardell Wispies are my favorite. They just look so natural and beautiful, and they are so easy to put on. If you are a beginner with lashes, try using those. They are so easy to use. Alrighty, so these are the two lip colors that I'm going to be using today. I did get them off of Wish. I think they're a knockoff of Kylie Jenner. I am not sure. The color is Exposed and Dulce K. I am a broke bitch, so I get a lot of my stuff off of Wish. So a little ashamed, but not really because it works. I did decide to go ahead and put down my hair. It was just in a headband before. So we're just gonna go ahead and do our lips. I'm just gonna bring another mirror so I'm not getting in your guys' face. Sorry if there's noise in the background. Family's doing something. Alrighty, so that is for the first color. Now I love doing a two-tone look. It is just my favorite, especially on my tiny ass lips. It makes them look bigger. So we're just gonna apply the lighter color, and we're just gonna apply that right in the center. And I pull out my lips together, and I just take my finger and I let the color stick there. Alrighty, so that is it. That is how I got ready for Thanksgiving. I'll kind of stand up and just give you a little outfit of the day. I am just wearing a little romper. I have a necklace that my boyfriend got me for Christmas, and then just some hoop earrings. And the way I did my hair is I just left some pieces on either side, did a half up into a bun, and I just straightened my bangs to get them a little bit of volume. That is how I went ahead and got ready for Thanksgiving 2019. If you like this kind of video, or if you like makeup videos, get ready with me, please let me know. I would love to do more of them. Thank you so much for staying tuned until the end of the video, and I hope you have a wonderful and thankful and happy Thanksgiving. Thank you guys. Bye.